I have to say I'm really happy with my Xiaomi Mi Robot Vacuum Cleaner. But it's been going for a little over a year and it's time for some service. She's complaining all the time. Look at that, everything says 0%. It is time to clean it up. Alright, for this service we're going to need a waste bin, a replacement filter, the main brush, the side brush, the cleaning tools, Phillips screwdriver, and a damp washcloth. Alright, we're going to start by just cleaning the tops here. Get these sensors. Open it up. Inside we've got our dustbin, and look at all this. It's amazing. I got a cat, you can see that. So we're gonna dump this stuff out, and I always just check and see if there's any treasures in there. Sometimes I find some yep. There's a Lego piece of wood. What do you think of that? Anything else? Nothing too exciting. Looks like we had a V too. All right, put that aside. So you can see the filters have a screen over here. There's a filter behind it and a seal. And it's held in by these clips. Right here, here's some tabs, but this is the clip. So if we look at this, the clip is here, the tabs are there. So we're going to push on this side. And voila, it pops right out. If you try to push the other side, it'd be a little more difficult. So again, there's the tab side and the clip side. So tabs and clip. Is that easy? New filter, done. While we're in there, let's clean out the inside of the collection box. Under the lid. Pop this guy back in. that's it for the top. Alright, let's do this brush, or this roller here. We're going to take this guy, it's a little pry bar, you could use a screwdriver, but this pops right out, and got all this gunk that just right in there. You could tell this cat, look at that, cute little hairballs. Use a brush if you like, clean this stuff out. Click, click, it's back in. Alright, next up we have the side brush, and you'll see it's a Phillips screw. Little gunk under there. Again, we can clean that up underneath. There's some hair. Make sure that this hex shape sets in. And you see it has a little cleaning brush here. Snug that down. Alright, last up is the main brush. And this is what a new one looks like. Let's see what ours looks like on here. Pinch these together, lift up the cover. I'm going to use the brush, clean out these little brushes. These help keep the grit and grime out of the rollers. And here it is, look at that. So this is the time you do an inspection. The robot was right. I think it's trashed. It's definitely got a lot of damage on there. If it wasn't so bad, you could take this tool and comb out the brushes. I got a cutter here. Okay, some of that stuff was hard to get out. You could cut it. Get these threads and stuff that are on there. But threads and things like that are going to cut the scraper part here. But I've got a new one, so I'll put in a new one. Clean out this trough. I use this little scraper. Clean out those corners. All this stuff adds up and it just slows your machine down. If there's any rubbing, it'll cause friction. goop in there. Pets and kids are great on vacuum. So what is this, a feather? It's okay to get this into the hole here too, because, well, that's your dirt box. So that'll come out next time you dump it. Okay, flat side, square side. Where do they go? Well, square side, flat side. That keeps it all going in the right direction. Just a quick little clean too. Right back the way you took it apart. Done. All right, lastly, we have the side sensor here. Looks good. All right, time to go in the menu, and we're gonna tell them that we reset and replaced everything. Start with the filter, we say okay, and then we go down. We're gonna go to the side brush, say okay. We're gonna reset the main brush, say okay. We're gonna say that we cleaned the sensors. Okay. Now we're back in business.
Starting the cleanup.
All right. We are back in business. I hope you were able to use this video to clean your robot, and it was very helpful. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe, share, and there's parts available in the description below if you want to do the service yourself. Thanks again, and have a great day.